Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm the registration and training status for event security. Scan on QR code winner 25 rand. Welcome to Amavenzi TV. It's the Kev Confed. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Almas 2. I'm joined by Chwaka Parks.
Tibos, ama-friends wethu, at home, ama-viewers. Salute guys,
Salute.
love you all.
Salute.
Tibos, angene nje kancane kule game
Bangene che.
ye-Confederation Cup. Angiqale ngibonge i-Champions League, the way ihambe ngakhona izolo. So surprised ukubona one of our fellow friends, they go airport to welcome Umkoko. Umkoko manje sesithi umkoko wa papa wawa umkoko papa wawa forward bobo papa wawa promoter in. Tell us as a country, we want to know, maybe somehow khona kuzosmislead, maybe you coming from that side. Congo. Maybe Papa Wawa is a Congolese. Somehow, even since I know Papa Wawa, angaze ngambona ethathe t-shirt, blank t-shirt, wafaka player the favorite team yakhe in front.
Yeah.
But they guess what?
Yeah.
Ukwazi ukuthatha plain t-shirt afake umkoko.
Bafethi Marua, my leader.
Forward.
Come on, Mundwan.
Forward. Or kulungile Papa Wawa, it's your choice. Guess what? Today iShips losing. Unfortunately, hard luck, Makosi. Let's hope you'll give us a better result. Masar Ismail Zangapa Ekaya. Maybe you give us something. But today, ispithu ukubona iKaizer Chiefs ifeyila ukushaya umuntu ubona ukuthi befastile lo ithandaza ulambila akho kwanto akekho wasegaming. That team was absent for a field. Really. Bokumele bakuthiwa iShips laphana iwine 4-1. I-hard worker ka-Ox. Kukhona umfana o-dangerous lapha kuleya team ku-midfield part. U-Ox umenze wangazi ukuthi bengekho. Unfortunately, lezo angiziyekele Rice Khosi Rice. Kabuyelo kuma-Champions League useza kahle uvalile umlomo kaMkuku but be careful. That Mkuku maseniya eCongo. Uyingozi lo muntu uyadistructure. Aba udlala enye irole yokuthi nizagcina senenza ama mistake. Please Kabuyelo focus, otherwise nani nobuya senimoshekile kwi-status scene. Sama Champions League. Tibos.
Sure, Pity
at home.
Ngindoda
ehlezi my inviteiwe inezwe ama gift angiqalela. It's not a jokes. From Emalahleni extension
branch.
Emalahleni extension awuyambise ibonakala iappreciation le. Emalahleni extension branch, a branch yabo Mgijimi the later. From zero to hero. He celebrated 10 years. Lapha ngiqale khona. Thank you very much. Appreciation my branch. Umsebenzi enginenzela wona.
Thank you, Chairman.
Base bangiphunaza esinye isipho. Thiwa lana kumele ngibray. Akubambe so. Awubambe so bhekisa abantu ekhaya.
Okay, sure.
Bobona.
Ngizocry, Chairman.
Hey. Uyasibona lesandla? The black one. Black is beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, black is beautiful. Bafowethu. Ngiyabonga nje kakhulu, ngiyabonga. Konke kuhle. Awungifakele. Ngifuna ukuthi ke mangibonga lemsebenzi engiyenzelwa ama branch bafowethu.
Yes.
Ngiphinde futhi ngoba bengi-attende ama events ayithu ngesikhathi esisodwa.
Yes.
Ngiqale eMpumalanga kwimalahleni extension for 10 years anniversary. Ngabuya later ngazojoina iJoburg branch fundraising. Ngithi angidlulisa ukubonga kakhulu kuwo wonke ama branch abekhona abayingcenye yeJoburg branch fundraising. Uba bekuthiwa bekhona ifoni yami bengakubonisa kunama team la ku PSL without fear or favor. Uma ungabona la ama games ebedlalwa ama branch kwi fundraising yeJoburg branch is unbelievable for his support. The way bokugcwele ngakhona kunama team engasho nje ngingasabi ukuthi for iattendance siwashaya 10-0.
Sundowns.
Siwashaya 10-0 kodwa ke ngicabanga ukuthi abaningi basaza kubona lewe ngokukhuluma ngoba luckily i-up the bucks bekhona UK Sharp. Yeah kwangathi khona into ne super sport beyikhona. Yeah bazozibonela bona abantu ekhaya but abanye sebeqalile ukuwabona ama video edlalwa ku TikTok. The way i-support bengakhona. Even amanye ama branch abesuka outside Gauteng because if igama leJoburg branch yenye ama branch asebenze very hard ukuthi amanye ama branch abekhona abe ama roots weOrlando Pirates Football Club. Ukusebenza kwethu kwanzima. Ingakho ngifisa ukuthi uma friends wethu nginikeza ama branch wonke i-challenge. Ngabe i-branch yeSundowns, ama branch weSundowns, ama branch weChiefs, ama branch wePirates, anyone oke branchini okwazi ukusubscribe abheke ama fans wethu. Ngicela ke nenze 1 million viewers. Just you like. Khona into engifuna ukuyibona ukuthi ma branch mangikhuluma ngani ukuthi si supportana each other ekuhleni nasebubini. Khona manje I think bokunama branch ebekade launchwa iThekwini region bokuyi Hillcrest neNew German kwiThekwini region under uTimen neExco yakhe ngapha eKapa bokade kuyiplunge kwi Western Cape eshuthi thina amabhakane siphuma all out senza sure ukuthi ama roots weParis ahleli ephilile. Okwesigcina ke ngizafuna ukwenza before ngibese ngifuna ukuthi followers or supporters let's make sure ukuthi on Tuesday sidlala neShipa fill up Orlando Stadium, fill up esigodini senze esijwayele ukwenza. But guys, be careful, very careful. I heard that i-game ye-Champions League ebekade ise-Loftus ama-criminals abanjiwe ethatha ama-cellphone wabantu. This is isikhathi esithanda ukuba wrong lesi ekumele singanikeli ngempilo zethu but let's try ukuthi mnani bafowethu enaziwa kakhulu ngafriends wethu manje umuntu angeze ukuzokuhaga nobe kanjani because lana sikhuluma ngezimpilo nobubani abe very careful until ize idlule le festive ngoba isikhathi sebusy manje wonke umuntu ufuna ukulimaza impilo zethu but all in all bafowethu my friends wethu before ningivale ake ngibonge engikubone ni invite uPPK ibhakane elikhulu leli.
Yes Jay.
Nalo sisi umphonayo ibhakane elikhulu leli.
Yes Jay.
Angikhulumi ke ngo Brighton.
Yes.
uBrighton is our students. Ingane elokuthi ngiyayithanda ke lento eyenzeka kuma fans wethu. Let's hope ukuthi na ku PSL kulona ake ngithi ku media's officer ye PSL ngiyafisa ukuthi manga benama launch abawenzayo ukupdate ama team any launch ngabe iMTN launch, Carling Cup launch, Nedbank launch, PSL or Betway launch, they challenge you ban honor ban invite nokwenza umsebenzi wenu bafowethu wesports. Yeah, ngiyabona ngakujabulela kakhulu ukuthi niwathole nje ama invitation straight from kwi-PSL officer ukuthi no bafowethu ake siwa invite ama-fans wethu anything esiyenzayo azoba pass and parcel like any journalist in the South Africa. Bese sithi ke mangizoyivala Mr. or Honorable President Trump.
Yeah.
Trump sorry ukuthi ungezi ku G20 because they thought ukuthi maybe i-G20 aizofunctiona because of your absence.
Yeah.
Sorry sir.
Yeah.
We are the Africans.
Yeah.
I-continent yethu yokuba se-Africa.
Yeah.
Angeke isokole ngawe.
Yeah.
We are big enough.
Yeah.
And we are coming even 2010
Yeah.
to honor ibafana bafana. Uzosibona sikhona baba ngikubonile umeno Cristiano Ronaldo uzobona umfukeni.
Yeah.
Uzabona abo TLP.
Yeah.
Welcome us.
Yeah.
This is a G20 isebenze kahle without your presence. Respect South Africa.
Yeah.
20 World Cup. Oh 2010 bakwethu. No bengifuna ukuthi nge-2010 USA was not a part of and parcel World Cup in South Africa. But thina 2026 sizobe sikhona. Amathikithi wethu asekhona, yonke into yethu seyikhona. Uyathanda kathanda ngiyakwazi nje nokustop. We love football. Mala for free. Katin Mackenzie, I still waiting you guys. Take my friends wethu, take us. Siyobona i-World Cup. Siyayifuna leya chain. Bathi kasiqala ku-AFCON. Sikubona ukuthi ngabe uneqinisweni. Do something for us. AFCON.
Yeah.
Guys, my friends wethu, pick up. Love you all for free. But once a pirate.
Always a pirate.
Always.
Thank you, Chevy. Thank you.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?